Hello and welcome to another episode. I was contacted during the week by someone called Swwils who's got an EV9. For the last few months he's been working with Kia and Electroverse to try and get Electroverse to work with plug and charge on his Kia EV9. You may be aware that when you sign up for plug and charge so far, the video I made back in April is for Kia Charge only via a company called DCS. But in theory, you should be able to have more than one certificate in there. Now, he tried registering the ID from the car via Electroverse, and there was some kind of blockage at the Kia back-end servers, and eventually he's managed to get Kia to unblock this. So, as it should be, you should not be tied to one charging company provider. What he put in the message was, plug and charge now works with any EMSP. That's an EMSP is an e-mobility service provider, such as Electroverse or DCS, which is Kia Charge's company. So you can use it seamlessly at any charge point operator that supports it and with any contract you like. Now, the first thing I did, because I was going to test this, and I have tested it, was delete my Kia Charge, but I think that may have been a mistake, because you can have more than one EMSP in there and you can just pick them from a list. So I logged into Electroverse on its web page, and I also found a link to how to set up plug and charge on a separate link because I couldn't find it via the web page. Right, and to get at your plug and charge settings and the PCID, press Setup, EV, plug and charge, and then you've got plug and charge, which you can turn on and off there. If it's on with no certificate, it stopped me DC fast charging, so remember that. And then if you've got a certificate, manage contracts with certificate, and if you have more than one certificate, then you could set the priority in there. And your PCID is that barcode and that code there. And that code is what I typed into the Electroverse's website to generate the certificate that appeared in the app. Then I put in my PCID from the car, which is a bunch of numbers or a barcode, and that created the certificate in the Electroverse app. I then had to assign the certificate to the EV3, which is what I did. I got an email from Electroverse saying it could take 48 hours. So thanks for registering Electroverse and plug and charge. Our robot octopuses are busy setting everything up. Once we receive confirmation from your vehicle manufacturer that your certificate is ready to be installed, we'll send you an email with installation instructions. This should be within 48 hours if your vehicle is compatible. Now, no email turned up. I went on Wednesday, yesterday. Right, I'm at Ionity, Walsall to test to see if Electroverse will do plug and charge. Fingers crossed, the certificate will get delivered and it'll just work. And I couldn't get it to work. I was getting charging interrupted. And it turns out that because I deleted the Kia Charge certificate and plug and charge was enabled, that was causing the issue, because I went and charged elsewhere with it turned off and it was fine. So I went back today, 24 hours later. Day 2, back at Ionity Walsall. This is day 2 of trying to get Electroverse running on Ionity instead of Kia Charge. So still not had an email, but I'm hopeful that they've sent the stuff through. And I got the same error again, charging interrupted. So because I was getting charge interrupted, I don't think it was receiving the certificate. So I turned off plug and charge and I did a manual charge by starting with the Electroverse app. Then I stopped the charge within a minute or so after it had done a few kilowatts. Turned the car off, turned plug and charge back on in the menus, and then plugged it back in with the car switched off. And then within about a minute or so, it started charging. Holy crap, after this, I turned the car back off and it suddenly started charging without me paying for it. So I think it's taken it. So I wonder why it was so difficult. Anyway, back into the EV menu. And settings, plug and charge. There's still nothing to manage, but it's going, so I'm going to stop it again. And we wait again. It's gone blue on the charger, and that's going again. So that's definitely working. And in theory, it should turn up on my Electroverse app as well. And they have, yeah. So there's one at 14:51, which is 2 minutes ago, which is a very short charge. And I did this about 3 or 4 times, so it definitely is working now. So I think this is a great thing now, because I know in America you can have multiple companies and certificates running plug and charge, and I did wonder how it could be done. It turns out there was some kind of blockage in the back end that was stopping it, but now it's open to all. So any e-mobility service provider could, in theory, be running on your EV3, your EV6, or your EV9 or EV4. Anyway, I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching.